Entrance fee $7 per person. 12 under free.
So for citizens,
I don't see
I
it.
mean for seniors.
I don't see a
No,
senior
this is
sign.
they have discount in seniors. Nancy says. Yeah. Probably like $6. Nandiyan na kasi isis ka lang bet. Dahil pila ram na kung hindi $15. Daol, pagkapira na. This is the entrance of Hunsville.
It looks like
This is our friendly. Yes, friendly attendant.
she wants to know your YouTube.
Fil-AmQueen TV. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to upload it in a week so you can see yourself. Hi, my
Thank
guest.
you. Nice to meet you. We're all good?
Oh, put in the windshield. Thank you. Agreed, she wants to be in my vlog.
Cool.
I gained 1 subscriber. So we have to follow the yellow brick road.
Radar enforced 20 miles an hour. This is where I'm going to get the ticket.
Yeah, buckle in. Yes. Oh, exactly 12.
I mean, alligators exist in the park. Wow.
It's likely, right? What time are you guys going? Oh, like we're already here. We're not going that way, honey.
I don't know. That was just a place where you can go into like a. I didn't see any cars that I recognized there.
Okay.
It's not like it's a separate road. It's just a view.
Oh, okay.
This is a little.
So there's police here.
They said radar enforced.
We should ask where's the Camp Curry. Camp Curry. Tawag is Inday Eileen. Like we have to be early because we have lunch at 12. Okay, there's a sign there.
There's a fork in the road right here. I'm not.
Okay, this one here is like this is the road.
Maybe I think there's.
Yeah, there's a sign.
It's the first fork in the road.
Okay.
There's a map. Oh, we should ask for a map.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the numbers.
Okay.
30 is that way.
14,
Through
30.
30.
Yeah.
In the park. We're heading towards 70. Number 30. Yeah.
30.
Okay, here it is. Oh, there he is. There's their thing.
His name is Dato. That means rich. Dato. Yeah, Dato. Dato in Cebuano is rich. Dato. Hey, Dato. Say hi, Dato. Good dog, good doggy. Good doggy. We are here in the campsite. It's really beautiful. Good catch. did you catch that fish? Wow, you can cook it.
I have to because it swallowed the hook. And
Oh,
it swallows the hook.
yeah,
It's coming all out.
Oh.
Anyway, so now it's okay.
Mm-hmm. Is that trout or?
No, it's a crappie.
Oh.
It's white meat.
Yeah,
Actually, crappie is the best one. That's
Yeah.
what I like to eat.
yeah. I love the fish. But there's a gear here.
Yeah, but the best part about it is that this morning we were out there really funny cooking.
Mhm.
We got a whole bunch and then we're sitting there relaxing,
Yeah.
making money.
Yeah, just don't. We don't touch them
Yeah.
because yeah,
And they don't realize what them alligators can do, you know?
yeah.
That alligator, it can,
Sometimes, you know.
it can jump up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely.
One man had animals out of his dog out here and the dog kept barking at it.
I didn't even know that there's something like this here. It's close.
That alligator come up and kill it and eat it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Man, they're good.
You've seen that happen too many times.
They're vicious. If you're gonna be closer, you're gonna be the meat. Really? They're like, just leave them alone. It's beautiful in here. So we cannot really feel the sun because there's a lot of trees. Wow. Look at the view. Here we are. My friends are coming. Can you say to my vlog? Say hi to my vlog. I know, right? It's so beautiful.
Joining on the campsite today. We just thank you for all this wonderful food we have for us out and maybe bless it for our bodies and we just have a very nice time together. And for any others that might be on the way, we pray for them.
We're taking a walk to this trail. And we're looking for the wisdom of the Buddha. We're gonna go down. I think it's there down than going up. Because see, now it doesn't have nothing. Because I don't go force. Maybe I have another thing in hand. I don't know. Seems like that. Like kingdom of the snow. Tal family. Tal family. I hope it's not my overly
I thought we'd see it by now.
It's a little far.